Hello everyone, welcome to Official Help Desk. In this video, we'll learn how to view Instagram stories you have already seen. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First off, go ahead and open up Instagram app on your device. Well, Instagram makes it easy for you to keep track of which stories you have already viewed. When you view a story, it will have a colored ring around the user's profile picture. The color of the ring will depend on whether the story is still active or has already expired. So when you open up your Instagram, you will see these two sets of stories. One, you will see these red stories right here, and the other you'd see grayed out stories. So these grayed out stories right there are exactly where you want to go ahead and tap on the stories. And with this, you'll be able to view the story that you have already viewed previously. But you have to keep in mind that all of these stories delete after every 24 hours. So yeah, this was the tutorial on how to view Instagram stories you have already seen. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.